Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A04s. You need to begin by going into Play Store on both. Now tap on the search bars. Type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on those two smartphones. First of all, click on I accept. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. So now on the other one, I accept, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about newsletters and updates, you can click on Not Now if you want to and close it by choosing OK. Then select Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung device if it's not already on, and click on Receive at the bottom in the middle of Send and History on A04s. Also on 04s, you need to scroll down and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window. Finally, go back to this Samsung smartphone and tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. Then tap on Send next to Selected. This way you will choose all of those files and transfer them later on. You can also just click on the chosen files. I will go with this one photo. Then tap on Send as well. In this waiting area, you need to just Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Then pick the best connection way for you. In order to scan this QR code, so ceramic click, you need to tap on the scanning icon next to input key on A04s, like that, and then pick while using the app or only this time to allow camera access. Lastly, using this connection method, just point your device's camera at the code in order to connect. If you wish to input this key though, you need to tap on Input Key area. Below enter the key. Type in all of those numbers and connect by tapping on Receive button. So now when I click, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!